Listen to the pages rustling. Every visual detail and ambient sound in this sunlit library was generated by artificial intelligence. There were no cameras on a soundstage, no actors hired, and no 3D animation software used. The entire sequence was built from a single typed sentence. This is Google Flow, a production platform powered by VO3. VO3 is Google's advanced video generation model, capable of creating high-quality cinematic clips with synchronized audio from simple text prompts. To achieve these results, we will construct a precise master prompt, lock in our character consistency, assemble our clips on a timeline, and export the final movie. By following this exact workflow, you can turn a blank text box into a cohesive, broadcast-ready cinematic sequence. Step 1 is getting access. Navigate to the Google Labs portal, launch the Flow interface, and click on your profile dashboard. Look at your AI credit counter. Free users receive a limited monthly allowance, while Pro subscribers have a larger pool of credits to pull from. This chart shows exactly how quickly those credits drain. A fast render costs 20 credits, allowing 5 generations per 100 credit budget. A single quality render costs a full 100 credits, depleting that entire budget instantly. Entering vague, unplanned text is the easiest way to exhaust your account. Each retry costs you another chunk of your allowance. Before you click Generate, you need a strict plan. Deliberate pre-production ensures you get usable footage without burning through your resources. To begin, open the Model dropdown and select VEO3. This specific engine is required to ensure your video includes native, synchronized audio. A reliable prompt requires 4 variables: subject, action, camera motion, and lighting. Defining the camera motion, like a tracking shot, forces the system to follow directorial instructions. Next, detailing the lighting gives the engine strict parameters for the scene's contrast and mood. The camera tracks smoothly alongside the glowing jellyfish, while ambient room tone and subtle aquatic sounds play in perfect sync. Writing a highly engineered prompt separates random AI outputs from intentional, controlled filmmaking. Now we face the main hurdle of AI video: temporal inconsistency. This occurs when your character or object randomly changes its shape or appearance between shots. In the Ingredients to Video feature, uploading a standalone 2D image creates an anchor weight, forcing subsequent generations to match those visual traits. Frames to Video adds another layer. Providing a starting frame establishes a rigid boundary, ensuring the shot begins exactly as composed. When you combine ingredients with frames, you restrict the AI. It can no longer invent random details that break your established world. Forcing the engine to reference hard visual data is the only reliable method for maintaining true narrative continuity across multiple clips. Once your clip is generated, click Add to Scene. This moves your isolated video into the Scene Builder timeline, so you can begin structural editing. If a great shot ends too abruptly, you can fix it without starting over. Select the Extend function to lengthen the clip. Extend forces the AI to look exclusively at the final frames of your video. It calculates the trajectory and logically continues the physics of the action. This illustrates the Jump To feature. It transitions an established character to a new setting by keeping the subject's wireframe static while swapping the environmental data. Type a new location into the prompt box and the subject integrates seamlessly. The Scene Builder timeline is the exact point in the workflow where separate generations merge into a cohesive film. For the final technical step, initiate the export sequence and download the compiled MP4 file directly to your local machine. Watch the glowing jellyfish glide out of the dusty attic and directly into a pristine office, keeping its exact shape. You started with an empty text box. Now you have a multi-scene video featuring consistent characters, deliberate camera movements, and synchronized native audio. Remember to carefully monitor your credit limits and practice refining your text with Gemini, Google's natural language processing model, to improve your future prompts. AI video generation is a structured production workflow. If you follow these steps, it is ready for serious creators.